Thermography has been used to detect injury 2 to 3 weeks before evidence of clinical lameness. The injuries that we commonly use thermography for are ligament, tendon, bone injuries, stifle and back injuries. By using infrared thermography, we also use it for monitoring horses in recovery, so we know when they're ready to go back into work. We also use it for training horses, so we can see the effects of new training methods. What we're looking for in performance horses is we're looking for early signs of pathology. Those signs might be subtle lamenesses. When those injuries occur, we need to act on it very quickly because they can become chronic.
Well, I think thermography is just part of and another tool really in our cabinet of ultrasound, X-ray, MRI, and obviously a clinical examination, and just to be used amongst that. And just as with any other technology, it's all about how you acquire that image.
It shows us the location of injury, the severity of the injury, and what we need to do to further treatments for recovery.
If you've set it up right, you use the best technology, you're going to get a better quality image that you can more rely on. Infrared technology, just as any technology, relies on good training of an individual to perform that, such as provided by Equitherm, and without that, it's only half the job.
So it's crucial that we use the correct infrared equipment for this application. We use FLIR infrared cameras, and we recommend a minimum resolution of 320 by 240. Okay, excellent, perfect. The great thing with this camera is it's got a rotating interface. It allows me to get high up and perpendicular with the area that I'm viewing, which is really important for me to get.
This is Dan, an 11-year-old dressage horse who's presented to us having had an infrared scan, having had some lameness issues, and it was interesting to correlate the scan with further diagnostic tests that we've run, and they correlate well, and then hoping to use further infrared scanning to monitor treatment.
Show jumping, to eventing, to dressage, polo, horse racing and other equestrian disciplines. So this is interesting. You need to have a look at that and compare it with the opposite side. You can see here we've got an unusual pattern in the left fetlock and a normal pattern in the right fetlock. Another important factor to equipment is that the camera needs to be light, it needs to be ergonomical, we need a rotating interface, and it needs to be quick acting to capture the image in a split second.